Rahul Mithaiwala is a 40-year-old stranded unhitched male living in Mumbai. Raised by his grandparents from the age of 8, Rahul's granddad Bhishambhar is a finance manager who claims a chain of candy parlor shops. Before Bhishambhar's 100th birthday festivity, Rahul's companions Bobby and Baman welcome him to go with them on a getaway in Goa, which he acknowledges. In the meantime, Bhishambhar kicks the bucket just before the festival when he observes Sachin Tendulkar on television in a cricket match get excused on his 99th run. After Bhishambhar's memorial service, Rahul's grandma Neetu tells Rahul that Bhishambhar believed that his remains should be isolated into two sections, one section to be drenched in the Ganga, and the other in Rameswaram. She requests that Rahul take the remains to Rameswaram and scatter them. Hesitantly he acknowledges her solicitation but at the same time is anxious to go to the Goa trip. Rahul, Bobby and Baman plan to dump the remains at Goa, however Neetu needs to see him off, driving Rahul to go via train. He books a solitary ticket on the Chennai Express, wanting to meet Bobby and Baman en route at Kalyan intersection station. Be that as it may, Rahul neglects to take the cinders, and he nearly misses the train when he gets back to gather them. As Rahul attempts to leave the train, he sees a young lady hurrying to load up it. He assists her and four others with loading up the moving train, however the train leaves the station before he can get off. Rahul attempts to play with the lady, who starts conveying by singing satires of Hindi film tunes, and makes sense of that the four men are attempting to hijack her. Rahul loans her his cell phone so she can reach her companions, however the men with her get it and toss it from the train. Rahul is irritated yet says nothing in light of the fact that the men are conveying weapons. Rahul tells the voicing ticket inspector about them, however they drive the investigator into a waterway under an extension. Overreacted, Rahul discovers that the four men are her cousins and that her genuine name is Meenalochini Meenamma Azhagusundaram. She is escaping from a constrained union with a rascal named Tangballi. Meenamma's dad, Durgesh Ajhagusundaram, is a strong headman of the neighborhood mafia in Tamil Nadu. Meenamma takes Rahul to Durgesh and presents Rahul as her sweetheart. Tangballi moves Rahul to a duel that Rahul unconsciously acknowledges because of his absence of information in Tamil. The evening of the duel, Rahul escapes with the assistance of a neighborhood police officer, Shamsher, yet he winds up on a boat with Sri Lankan psychological oppressors and dealers. A weapon fight follows between the police force and the psychological oppressors. At the point when the cops research and arrest Rahul, he recounts his story and winds up back in Komban. Unnerved and by encompassed by Darjesh's Sikkim-ploying thugs, Rahul claims to abduct Meenamma and escapes with her in Darjesh's vehicle, engaging Darjesh's men. At the point when the vehicle stalls, Rahul and Meenamma wobble and head out in different directions. Rahul, not knowing what direction to head, gets back to Meenamma, who takes him to the Vidhamba town. Meenamma lets the locals know that they are a hitched couple who need security and rest, to which the residents concur. Meenamma then, at that point, understands that she has become hopelessly enamored with Rahul. At the point when Rahul plans to slip away, she contends, not having any desire to acquire the residents' doubt. Tangballi gets Rahul as he attempts to leave, however the locals assist them with getting away once more. Meenamma convinces Rahul to distribute Bhishambhar's remains and goes with him to Rameswaram, where they complete the rituals. Returning, Rahul understands that he has fallen head over heels for Meenamma, and doesn't tell her where they are going. He returns Meenamma to Durgesh and attempts to cause him to comprehend and respect Meenamma's desire. He likewise lets Meenamma know that he cherishes her. Rahul tells Tangballi and his hooligans that he is prepared for the battle this time. In the battle that follows, Rahul is seriously harmed yet arises successful. Durgesh and Tangballi change, tolerating that the affection for an everyday person like Rahul is greater than their actual capacity and political impact. Durgesh permits Rahul to wed Meena. Rahul then leaves a message that affection knows no local or language boundaries and that with a solid heart there is no restriction to what the everyday person can accomplish.